Hey guys, Corey here from HOOKNM4x4. So latest little mod we've done on the Prado is an RGB LED strip installed into the cargo area. So we're going to do a quick run through on that, and if it appeals to you, maybe something you want to look at. But yeah, really straightforward to do and quite functional. Okay, so the little RGB strip that I went for, just picked it up off a local website here in New Zealand. They're on eBay all over the place. It's just the IP65 RGB strip. Went for the 2 meter one. Okay, so in order to install this, basically what you've got to do is you've got to release this panel here, which just pops out. You just got to pull the rubber away through here, and there's just 3 or 4 clips in here. You can just pull this cover away, and then you've just got to remove the jack cover here, which just pops off, and then also this panel here, just also put the clips there and just release that, and basically you just got to pull that away. And then the lining here as well, same thing. There's just one little pop pin here that's going to come out, so as soon as you start pulling on that lining, it comes away anyway. And pull it out, and then there's 2 screws in here in the light. Yeah, just turn it on. So basically you've got to remove the 2 screws, so one there and one there, and take that panel out, and basically get your LED strip and run the wire off the end lead all the way up through here, and then solder it onto the existing terminals for the lamp that would normally live in there. So basically the left hand side is positive and right hand is negative, and this is on a 99 Prado. So the controller is infrared, so it can quite happily live behind this panel. I've heat shrinked over it and basically insulation tape. So pretty much this end lead up and about here is the infrared controller. So I've tested the range of it, and it works perfectly fine from like in the front of the cab. You can change through all the colours, no problem at all. And in terms of gluing it in place, so it comes with a 3M backing, which is pretty rubbish. So basically you peel off the backing and the actual double-sided 3M tape, remove all of that, and then I've just used a silicone, and I've basically just got it siliconed. Yeah, and there was a couple of little spots that were needed follow-ups in terms of to get them to actually hold, but on the whole it's pretty good. So that just means, if you need to remove it, that it should be reasonably easy to remove. Okay, so in terms of colours, we've got the standard white, which is quite a bluish sort of a white. Then we've got yellow. Then we've got a light blue, dark blue, a red, a green, and what's down is pink but looks more purple to my eyes. And you can change the brightness up and down as well, so you can fade that brightness right down and then bring it right up again, and you can have it cycle through all the modes automatically as well. But basically at the moment I've got it set so that when you open the door, it turns on with the door, and usually just in that yellow mode. But the different color combinations are great to keep the bugs at bay, or to protect your night vision anyway at night time.